Understanding I up and down, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, particularly focusing on the phrase, I up and down. Idioms are an integral part of the English language, often adding color and cultural significance to everyday conversations. So, let's explore what I up and down means and how you can use it in your daily English interactions. I up and down is an idiomatic expression used to describe the action of looking at someone thoroughly from head to toe. Generally, it implies a sense of scrutiny or assessment. When someone eyes you up and down, they might be trying to get a sense of who you are based on your appearance, or they might be assessing your outfit for a particular reason. It's important to note that this phrase can sometimes carry a negative connotation, suggesting judgment or critical evaluation. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. At the interview, when I walked into the room, the panel eyed me up and down, making me feel a bit nervous. 2. In social settings, at the party, I felt a bit out of place as a few guests eyed me up and down. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, highlighting its versatility in the English language. Understanding the tone and setting where I up and down is used is crucial. It's often used in informal settings and can sometimes be seen as rude or invasive. However, it can also be used humorously or playfully among friends. It's all about the context and the relationship between the people involved. And there you have it. Now you know what I up and down means and how to use it in conversation. Remember, idioms like these are a great way to add flavor to your English and connect with native speakers. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to eye up and down the world of English idioms for more interesting expressions. Until next time, happy learning!